Hi and welcome again with our third video. As we said, we are talking today about FacnyGrid and how to use it with ASP MVC with live data from SQL Server. As we said, we'll try just to get data and show it to you on your HTML page using this tool. Last time we stopped in this part here. After we write our Ajax code here, we put our URL and which type of data we'll receive and our data was it. So when we succeed our controller, we'll start with FacnyGrid here. FacnyGrid will show our data in this div here, div controller div. We put width and height and result. Our data result will be here. So the columns, this one was the hardest part here, just to need, important to order them here. You'll have your index, your title, and the type of data will be inside this field. And here width for your column. So let's run this one and to see what we'll have there. Okay, that's it. This live data from our SQL Server is normal and simple grid, nothing here. So now I will teach you how to add more features. This free feature, you can find it in the main website. So here, as we said, we don't have anything. Let's back to FacnyGrid website. Let's go down to features. Let's find, let's say first one. Let's learn how to use paging. We talk about this one, how to use Johnson and Ajax and everything. And maybe in the future we'll try to show you how to use delete and update, and if you want to create new field, new row. Okay, let's try to use paging. It will be the same this one. Let's go to edit code to see how they use it there. Okay, we've done everything here. This data, don't care about this data because your data, this you get it from your SQL Server. Let's go on the button down again to FacnyGrid here. This is function. What they said here. Let's find paging. Look, just copy this one small line, copy it, and back to your code and put it under data and save your code. Back, refresh your page. That's it. How we add paging. Just two words, paging, set it true, and like this you'll have your paging. Very simple. So let's try to dig again and find maybe new things. Filtering, let's say simple, basic simple filtering. Filtering means when you press on the column. Let's go again. Let's try to find let's go the button down again, down here. Filtering. Okay, this one. Let me talk about one more things. Maybe this default. What's mean this default here? This default, if you want to apply all this feature to all your columns, just add this default, will be on all your columns. If you add anything here, will be on all. Let's take sortable, or let's take all of them and we'll try one of them like this. Let's go string delete because I already set them there. This one no. Let me show you first sortable. Delete. there is this one. Okay, yeah, that's it. Save them. Back to my code. Now should be all of them. I can sort them here. Look, this one. Before I didn't have to name this one. Now all of them sortable. Easy and simple. All of them. Why? Because I added here on default. Default will be for all columns. So there is one more there. Let's use sortable. Sorry, we use sortable. Let's use filter. This is when we want to search for something. Let's put it here. Close this one, sorry. Not run it again. I don't know if you can understand how many code you can you should write to get same these features here. Let's say Berlin, and let's try to use, as you see, look here, you can use it with all columns. Let's find again more there. Editable should be, when we press on it, should be edit. Okay, let's put it here. Again, back to your code. Looks easy and simple, but you can't save it now because you don't have any posts for your data. As I said, maybe in future we can try this one too. What's more they have here? Title. That's nice one. Let's back here and put title. Let's call it customers. Okay. Here without title now. Let's just refresh it. That's fantastic. Easy and simple. Let's go more. There is too many features. Just I'm showing you what I can understand from them now. There is sorting, we use it, grouping, this one, nice one. Okay, how to use grouping. Again, it's very simple here. Where is it? Let's go to our function down, the button. Grouping. This one. Just copy this one. Okay. Paste it here. How you want to group them? Let's go back to our SQL server. What we see here? Let's group them by country. Let's say. Let's copy it. Save it. Back to my code. Refresh it. That's nice. Argentina, 3 rows. Look, it's easy. Easy. I mean that you don't need to write any C# code or any code in your or any stored procedure in your SQL server. From here you can filter everything after you get your data. Okay, what we have more? Grouping. Okay, this one, it's something I don't know what I will say about it. Something very nice. If you are interested about this grid, about how to use dynamic data, you can use this one. And again, I said it's simple how to use it. You don't need to add many things. Just send your data. From your server. Should be same what they ask. That's it. I think they use yeah, you need to add some libraries too. What more? There's bar. You can use grid map. Something dangerous. And they have here many things, forums, if you want to use them too. I think all of them useful. Too much here selection. Look, this one, if you want to select just one cell, it's okay. More than one cell. Columns, one column only. More than one column. One row only. More than one. Easy and simple, nice. Take over. Can take over the cell or row or anything. How to use it. Let's go to our code down the button. FacnyGrid. I think you can take over or something there. Put it here. Position. Toggle. I think this one. Take over. Take over. Okay. Well, they added it under my data. This working with one row. Okay. There is one more thing I want to show you how to use it with if you want to put photos here or anything. Let's say this one, where is it? If I can show you something. Actually, I did one example for myself to see how they do it. I'll show you too. Page control, there's subgrid, nice one, I like it. Look, see this one, how you add photo in your cell, and this one you call subgrid. And this one too simple. Why? Just you need to send a photo in your field from SQL or anywhere. Just here send the link to your from your controller will be in this view. Here you need to change one more things. Let me show you. The button a little bit. Let's say address. It's here, image, and this one will be, let's say, image. But here will be not string, will be image too. To understand to change your grid. I don't know if I have one example. Let me see if I have one. Show you. Let's back again. Okay, what you have more here. Let's back here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one no. We don't need the grouping too. As you see, it's just one or two words to add one features. How many features you need? That's it. Just let me show you how to add what if you have. I have this one more application here. Let me show you this one. You see here I send my data, ID, first name, last name, city, and with the image just I send URL. And if I back to my HTML page, I change just in my columns. I write down here image, type, index, and photo for title. And one more thing, this SLC, this main class, this should be class to make resize for your photo. I already added here. Okay, let me show you how will be this one. The result will be how to add this image. Again, same, easy. Just put your type will be image to show you like this, and you can control the size. You can change the size how you like it. Let's say 40 high. Here to, let's say 40 width, 40 high. Save them, back again, refresh it. We'll change the size. That's it, I think, for today. And just I show you this tool and how much is useful. And there is more things you can use them. As you see, I didn't use all of them. Just I show you how to use it. Very simple to use. I hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you have any question, just write it on the comment down, and see you in next video. Bye bye.